In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Utorrent extension to Chrome step by step so you can get it installed quickly and easily on your computer. If you've been trying to find the extension and weren't sure where to start, don't worry. I'll walk you through the full process in a simple way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots icon. This opens the main menu where you can find more tools and settings inside Chrome. From that menu, hover over extensions. This will show you another menu with extension-related options. Next, click Visit Chrome Web Store. That will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store where you can search for browser extensions safely. Once the store opens, click in the search bar and type Utorrent. Then look through the results and click on the Utorrent extension when you see it. After opening the extension page, look to the right side of the screen and click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then ask you to confirm that you want to install it. In the pop-up box, click Add Extension to finish the installation. After that, the extension should begin installing and may appear in your browser toolbar or extension list, and that's it. You've now added the Utorrent extension to Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, but following the steps in order makes the whole process much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.